Ever pondered the thought of your handwritten letters morphing into digital text? Allow us to usher you into the future of personal expression, a realm where artificial intelligence reigns supreme. Heralding this revolution is an avant-garde tool from the Mohamed bin Zayed University of Artificial Intelligence, altering the landscape of handwriting in ways never before perceived. Observe the transformation. This isn't a campaign to eradicate the human touch. Instead, it's an endeavor to amplify it, to allow your distinct handwriting to thrive in the digital world. Look beyond mere innovation. Behold inclusion. This tool empowers those who communicate differently, ensuring every letter, every word becomes accessible to all. As we welcome this technology into our lives, we also pledge an unwavering commitment to its ethical use, securing our digital expressions with the highest degree of integrity. The journey has only just commenced. From English to Arabic, from Mandarin to Cyrillic, this AI handwriting tool is on a mission to weave us into a new fabric of global communication. Now take the plunge into the world where AI intersects with personal expression. Become a part of the PRISM AI family on school.com.together. We can navigate this digital frontier. Find the link below and embark on this transformative journey. End screen, join us, PRISM AI family, explore, engage, transform.